everyone, today I have made you this Chinese deep-fried dough sticks. It's often served as breakfast with soy milk in China. Hope you enjoy this video. Honestly, I spent about 5 or 6 days so far on this recipe, and it took me 4 attempts to finally succeed. If this is not worth watching, I don't know what is. Well, some of you might know that you can use either dry yeast or baking powder and baking soda for this recipe. I tried them both, and what happened to me was that for the first few times when I experimented this recipe, the dry yeast and baking powder, baking soda were inactive. So instead of being fluffy, the dough sticks were very firm, kind of like French fries. So just keep in mind that the dry yeast or baking powder, baking soda, they have to be active, alright? Other than that, the rest of the recipe is pretty easy and manageable. You can still cook it a few hours after you rise the dough. Doesn't have to be overnight. And make sure the oil is at the right temperature when you deep fry the dough sticks. Look at that. Simply beautiful, right? So that's it. That's the recipe for Chinese youtiao or deep-fried dough sticks. The full recipe is in my bio link. Thank you for watching. Have fun cooking. Bye-bye.